What's up, guys? It's Josh back with another video, and welcome to the KeepItTechie channel, your go-to channel for all things Linux and tech education. So today, we're diving into a hot topic that's been stirring up the tech world, and that's how big tech companies are replacing jobs with AI. We'll explore what this means for skilled workers in tech and which jobs might be in danger. So stick around, hit that like button, and let's get into it. So AI has been making headlines for its potential to revolutionize industries, and tech is no exception. Big companies are leveraging AI to streamline operations, cut costs, and boost efficiency. But what does this mean for the people behind the code? Are we looking at a future where AI takes over, leaving skilled tech workers out of a job? That's what we're here to discuss today. We'll break down some real-world examples and give you my take on the situation. Before we move forward, I wanted to give a quick shout out to CIQ, the official partner of Rocky Linux. Rocky Linux is a Linux distribution that is intended to be a downstream complete binary compatible release using the Red Hat Enterprise Linux operating system source code. The project is led by Gregory Kurtzer, who was the founder of the CentOS project. So check out Rocky Linux at ciq.co. Now first, let's take a look at what some of the big players are doing with AI. For one, Google has been on a layoff spree, especially in their ad division and customer care. They're heavily deploying AI to handle these tasks, aiming to improve operational efficiency. While they haven't outright said that these jobs are being replaced by AI, the timing is pretty telling. Now next up, IBM. Based on the research I've done, they're looking to replace around 30% of its back office roles with AI over the next 5 years. And that's a significant chunk of their workforce. And it includes roles like human resources and clerical positions. The goal is to automate routine tasks and streamline operations. Now, another big organization, Salesforce, and they've also seen layoffs. And while they haven't explicitly linked these to AI, their increased investment in AI suggests that connection. And they're looking to automate more tasks and improve efficiency, which can mean fewer human jobs. Now, this is a weird one that I looked into, and that's IKEA. IKEA is looking to replace some of its call center jobs with an AI bot named Billy. However, they're taking a more balanced approach by upskilling their employees for new roles like interior design, advisors. It's a mix of automation and human expertise. Now, lastly, a company I did a little research on is Dunkin', which is a Bangalore-based e-commerce company. And they took a bold step by replacing like 90% of its customer support staff with an AI chatbot. And the CEO defended this move by highlighting the cost savings and improved customer wait times. Now, these examples show a clear trend towards using AI to handle more tasks, but the approach varies from company to company. So what's my take on this? Well, it's a bit of a mixed bag. On one hand, AI can take over repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more creative and strategic work. This could lead to new job opportunities and roles that we haven't even imagined yet. Now, on the other hand, there's a real risk of job displacement, especially for roles that can easily be automated. So for skilled tech workers, this means we need to stay ahead of the curve. Upskilling and continuous learning are more important than ever. And by staying updated with the latest technologies and trends, we can ensure that we remain valuable in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Now remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, it needs skilled hands to guide it. It's also crucial for companies to balance their AI implementation with workforce development. For instance, IKEA's approach of upskilling employees is a great example for how companies can use AI without leaving their workers behind. Now let's dive a little deeper into these examples and explore these specific strategies and impact. Now, I talked about Google earlier. Now, beyond those layoffs, Google is integrating AI across its operations, from AI-driven ad sales to automated customer service. The company is betting big on AI to cut costs and increase efficiency. However, this shift also means that roles focused on these areas are at risk of becoming redundant. Now, Google's CEO, Sandra Pichai, has emphasized the need for operational efficiency, which often translates to fewer human jobs. Now, IBM's move to automate 30% of back office roles highlights a significant shift. These roles often involve repetitive tasks that AI can handle more efficiently. IBM's focus is not just on cost cutting, but also on improving productivity and streamlining operations. This shift is expected to impact thousands of jobs, but it also opens opportunities for roles in AI management and oversight. Now, I did a little bit more research on Salesforce, and they're basically along the same story as IBM. The company is investing heavily in AI to automate various tasks, from sales, forecasting, and customer service. While this means fewer traditional roles, it also suggests a growing need for AI specialists who can develop and maintain these systems. Salesforce's layoffs might be a direct result of this strategic shift towards more AI-driven operations. Now, when I looked into IKEA, like I said, they did more of a balanced approach, and I thought it was super interesting. While they are replacing some call center jobs with AI bots, they are also investing in upskilling their workforce. This means that while some jobs are lost, new opportunities are created in areas like interior design consulting. Now, IKEA's strategies show that AI implementation can coexist with human job development, provided there is a commitment to training and upskilling. Now, it was kind of hard to find a lot of information on Dunkin', but this aggressive move to replace 90% of its customer support with AI chatbots is a clear example of cost-driven automation. And the company achieved significant cost savings and improve customer service times. However, this also raises questions about the future of customer support roles and the broader implications for employment in sectors heavily reliant on such positions. Now, these examples illustrate a broader trend. Companies are leveraging AI to improve efficiency, which inevitably affects jobs. However, the extent and impact vary, and there are opportunities for those willing to adapt and upskill. Now, let's talk about what this means for us, the tech worker. The rise of AI means that some jobs will become obsolete, especially those involving repetitive and easily automated tasks. However, it also means new opportunities in AI development, maintenance, and oversight. For example, AI systems need to be trained, monitored, and updated. And this requires a deep understanding of both AI and the specific industry it's being applied to. Moreover, AI can't replace the creativity, strategic thinking, and the problem-solving skills that humans bring to the table. These are areas where we can focus our efforts to stay relevant. Now, the key takeaway is to stay flexible and proactive in learning new skills. This is why one of the things I talk about on my channel is lab every day. Learn something new every day. Add a new skill to your resume every single day. And that also includes getting familiar with AI tools, understanding how to implement and manage AI systems, or even learning how to work alongside AI. There's a lot we can do to prepare ourselves for this shift. All right, guys, that's it for today. Like I said, AI is undoubtedly changing the tech landscape, but it's not all doom and gloom. But stay informed and continuously improve your skills, because we can definitely navigate this transition and even thrive. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so drop a comment down below. Do you think AI will take over tech jobs, or will it create new opportunities? Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the KeepItTechie channel for more tech insight, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and of course, keep it techie.